Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today to talk about a promo that we have for a limited time offer. So with every Lincoln Viking 3350 that you buy, you get a free helmet bib. And this one is a split leather helmet bib. So you've seen my other helmet bibs that I have from Lincoln. This one's a split leather bib. In today's video, we're going to show you how to put this thing on and show you what it covers up. So let's check this out. We'll open it up. So if you buy one here, limited time offer, you buy a 3350, you get a free helmet bib with every purchase on the 3350. So like I said before, 3350 is the #1 selling hood in the US right now. They are awesome. I use them all the time. I think the clarity is great, the price is great, and for what you're getting, they're a very robust helmet. The warranty is a good deal, so if something happens, they are very responsive with that as well. Let's see here. So we take that out. It's all wrapped up with a Velcro that you can see comes out, and it's a curved piece of rubber that slides in there, almost like the door seals on your truck there. So let's pop this off, and I'll show you guys how to put it on. So one of the major things is lining this thing up, right? So you want it to be pretty even from side to side. So what I like to do is just kind of get it somewhat on there, and then see where it's all gonna kind of line up. But I mean, you can adjust it once it's on there, but it goes on pretty easy. It just slides in, goes right on, and it's basically like a piece of weather stripping, right? You just push it up in there, and it just goes right over the edge. Very simple to do. And like I said, this is a split cow leather hide. And that genuine black color that they like to put out there, which is really nice. And you can see I'm a little bit off on my distance. Both sides longer than the other. Not a big deal. What you do is just slide it down, and it'll slide on that edge, or you can pull it right off there. But you can see how that all came on. Lincoln Electric logo. Really nice bib. So let's try it on the head here and make sure that's all pushed up there. So what I like about these, and I wear them, is because they shield everything. So when I pull it down here, you'll see it comes down to about right here. So you're covering your neck up to the bottom of your ear. So it's got a nice coverage area. Then when you flip it up, obviously it's out of your line of sight, so it's not drooping down in front of your face, but it does cover down below your neck. So I know a lot of people that get burnt because their jacket's not all the way up, or they get like a mark on the bottom of their chin from the light reflecting, burning them. So this thing's going to help out big time, protecting you in that aspect. Super easy to put on. Like I said, limited time offer while supplies last, but every 3350 you buy comes with a split cow leather bib. So check it out. We'll link everything down below. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, link them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for some more.